हेलो पीपल, व्हाट इज अप? आई एम सादिक खजदान। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे, अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई एम फाइन, आई एम गुड। First of all, I'm really very sorry for the audio quality. My mic has been damaged. I have to get a new one. तब तक के लिए you have to adjust. Thumbnail देख के और title देख के आप लोगों ने समझ ही लिया होगा कि what is going on in this video. So let's get started. So in this video we are going to unbox two things mainly, and let's get started with the first one. I'm really excited. So अगर कुछ गलती में या फ्लो में कुछ निकल जाता है, I'm really sorry about it because I have been waiting for these things for a lifetime. So the first thing, AirPods Pro. I was waiting to get these from a long time. So AirPods 3 भी लॉन्च हो चुके हैं ऑफिशियली एप्पल की तरफ से. I didn't want AirPods 3, मुझे नॉइस कैंसलेशन वाला फीचर ट्राई करना था बहुत टाइम से, इसलिए I got the AirPods Pro. Let's start. The paperwork, nothing here. The beauty of Apple products. I mean, the plastic itself feels so amazing. I mean, I can feel the quality, okay? Nothing in here, just the cable and the extra ear tips. So here are the pods. I mean, I love Apple products so much and they sync with everything. मतलब बहुत easy. ऐसा निकालो, कान में पहनो, you're all set. And if you're wearing the watch, if you're out on the run, you can play, you can stream the music, everything. So I just love them. Alhamdulillah for everything. So let's keep this aside. Let's take out the big boy. The MacBook Air M1, very 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD base variant. I got the base variant. So इसकी कहानी कुछ ऐसी है कि I completed my second PUC और I'm now getting into the college, so I am taking computer science. So I needed a laptop. I was using Dell laptop until now, but I wanted to have a really fast laptop. मैंने बहुत सारा research किया which to buy, which not to, but I was already in the ecosystem, so I had to get this. The thing is, I'm really feeling so damn lucky right now because I got everything, man. Thanks to God, thanks to Allah, and thanks to my dad because he is like a superman to me. Oh my God. I got the space grey color. मुझे space grey personally बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I got that one. Let's unwrap it. Just a second, I'll keep it aside and you get charging cable type C to type C, and inside you get the paperwork same and the space gray color wala Apple stickers which I'm never gonna use, and a 30-watt USB-C charger. matlab it comes in a nice packaging, typical Apple. Yup, looks like this. Pretty good. The moment of truth. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, the sound, did you hear it? Oh wow. As you know, there's nothing on the sides, just two ports, type C wale, and here you get 3.5 mm headphone jack, super clean. Give me some time, I'll set it up and I'll catch you guys. So I just completed setting up the MacBook Air M1 and everything, it's like seamless. I turn it off and I open it again. It just unlocks with my Apple Watch. There's the notification. So everything, matlab typical Apple wala thing, it's seamless, all the experience. Or you get everything on this device, matlab jaise you link the phone, you get everything, matlab your photos, matlab जो भी iCloud के साथ sync होके रहता है. I just don't want to do so much bug. अगर अब तक देख रहे हो तो just like it, share and subscribe to the channel, please. और अभी हम इससे तगड़ी वाली एडिटिंग करेंगे, मतलब फाड़ देंगे यूट्यूब पे फुल व्लॉग्स. सो इट विल बी ग्रेट इफ यू गाइज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड सपोर्ट मी. जल्दी से जल्दी 1000 सब्सक्राइबर करवा दो यार, मुझे भी अंदर से जोश आएगा. आई मीन रियली ब्लेस्ड विद एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ, एवरीथिंग, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, थैंक्स टू गॉड. और अभी यूज़ करेंगे एयरपॉड्स प्रो विद द नॉइस कैंसिलेशन फीचर. 1000 सब्सक्राइबर करवा दो यार, जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो, 1000 सब्सक्राइबर पूरे करवा दो और तभी तगड़ी वाली एडिटिंग करेंगे और मस्त ब्लॉग्स डालेंगे यार. थैंक यू, खुदा हाफिज़.